welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie. Today I'd like to show you the infamous TikTok whipped coffee recipe, and this is how I make it. So for ingredients, if you're just making one glass for yourself, I'm using a quarter cup of instant coffee, quarter cup of hot water, quarter cup of sugar, and this is my little secret ingredient, which is a little bit of vanilla coffee creamer. And then for tools, you'll need a hand mixer. You can hand mix it yourself, but this is much better. And something that you'll be mixing your whipped coffee in, and then of course your cup and straw. Let's begin. Okay, so what I like to do is just go ahead and put all the ingredients together, and I'm using this mixing cup. Okay, got my coffee creamer, my sugar, and my water all in this. Now I'm going to go ahead and whip this up. It will take about 5 minutes or so, but let me show you here in, I'm going to show it to you quickly, okay? So I whipped this up for about 5 minutes, and this is the kind of consistency you should be seeing. It's pretty thick. See that? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not sure why it's not focusing, but this is the consistency you want. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Okay, so now I just prepared my glass. I have it filled with ice. Now I'm going to add skim milk to my glass cup here. About that much. And now I think this is what the secret ingredient is. I think for me, I like a little bit of coffee creamer, French vanilla inside my milk. Okay, give that like a little stir, and go ahead and put in your whipped coffee. Look at how creamy and smooth that looks. Guys, look at this beautiful cup of coffee, iced coffee. This is amazing. Especially, I feel like if you use skim milk or whatever milk your preference is, you know, you can use almond milk, whatever. But with a little splash of coffee creamer, I think it does help a lot. Because this, when you taste the whipped coffee itself, it's, even though you had like a quarter cup of sugar in there, it's still kind of like a strong coffee flavor with a little hint of sweetness, but the coffee creamer actually definitely helps. I think that's something that will help, will make it even better for most people, I feel like. Anyways, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this kind of video, please give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day.